So in this video, we're gonna talk about the keyword planner. This is Google keyword planner. If you guys, so yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to make an account with this one right here in order for you to use it. So yeah, so you have to make an account for you to use this. Um, just search it. Go on Google, type in keyword planner. Make an account, whatever you have to do to get in here, because you're gonna use this. This is a tool that I've been using, and it's pretty fun. It's been giving me new ideas to come up with when I'm doing any of my stuff. Like, so for example, like sometimes you get lost when you're doing research and you don't know where to research at. I come in here and just type in a very general word. So for example, so we come in here, let's come in here, click here. Now you can see right here, enter URL keywords about the topic, like mill, delivery, or leather boots. So for example, let's say, let's type in tacos. Okay. I'm not sure why, but everybody, for some reason, I think it's just because I'm Mexican. Just kidding. No, just tacos. If you guys don't know me, I like burritos more than tacos. So let's check. Let's type in tacos and then get started. Now, what this is going to do, you can see how this is crazy right here. Like, you just see how it gives you so much information. And it's pretty cool because it's like, so when you type in tacos, it's 100. So average, so it gives you the average monthly searches. Okay, and it's showing you all the keywords right here, and then the competition, add impression share, top of page bid, and then top of page bid, high range, low range, high range, account status. Now this right here, I just come in here and it shows you so 702 keyword ideas. So I come in here, and you can get a lot of information right here. It just showing you like everything that's related to tacos, and it's pretty crazy. And it kind of gives you an idea of the monthly search results. And this gives me this gives you so much information. Like, you cannot, like, you can't go wrong here. Like, it's crazy, and you're like brainstorming and trying to just research and come up with new ideas. And you just come in here and search in here, and it's giving you, like, look at best taco recipes, like stuff like that. Gives you ideas. So, like, for example, messing with KDP right now at the moment. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. That kind of gives me an idea right there. Like, maybe I should go check on Amazon and see if anybody's selling any recipe books for tacos. You know what I mean? And create a taco recipe book on there. You know. There's a lot you can do. So whatever niche, like this is an example. This is whatever niche that you're in, and you're messing, like you're in there like grinding and stuff, and you want to see what's going on in your niche, and you're trying to figure out and dig in deep with your niche. Come over here, type in, like, go very general, type it in, and you'll come up with more ideas. And this was gonna actually help you dive in deeper and give you a better idea of your niche and see what people are actually searching for on Google. Because, you know, if you guys don't know, Google's the #1 when it comes to search, the search engine. So, and it's just giving you so much information right here. It's crazy. So, as you can see, you can just keep on going down. If you can find something with a high search volume, and low competition, that is going to be big for you. Like, understanding that right there will take you a long way. And because that's your goal. You want low competition, high search volume, because you want to dominate that niche. And yeah, and hopefully you guys can see how this can benefit you in your business and help you grow. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And if you guys got any value out of this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm telling you, use this right here. This is going to help you so much with your business. I guarantee it. Like, it really doesn't really matter like what you're doing. Coming in here and searching, understanding what people are searching for, just gives you an idea. And it's, yeah, man, like, because sometimes, like, you wake up and you're just like, I don't know what to do today. And then you just come in here and type something in, and boom, then you got it. And that just helps you out so much, and kind of gets the brain going, gets the blood flowing, and get your ideas going. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, comment down below, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace.